HD Photo, or JpegXR. It's a high-quality image format from Microsoft. Windows Photo supports it, but it never became as popular as JPEG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the photo. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling HDP files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. The HDP extension refers to a configuration profile used by the HitmanPro security suite. These files store specific scanning parameters, user exclusions, and cloud-based detection settings, allowing the security software to apply customized protection rules to a local system during its malware analysis process. HDP files are proprietary to the HitmanPro Sophos environment. They are managed through the software's settings menu and are often used in enterprise environments to ensure consistent security policies across multiple machines. If an HDP file becomes corrupted, the software may default to standard, non-customized scan settings. The initial software setup links the HDP file directly to Windows Photo Viewer by Microsoft. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows can render many raster types, but serious adjustments rely on professional graphics programs. We're performing an initial application check. Right-click your HDP file and choose Open With. Test Windows Photo Viewer first. If it's not there, select another program. This simple process often yields a quick fix. If you are still having trouble opening the HDP file, do not worry. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, use HitmanPro. Open the file using HitmanPro Sophos, the required application for the profile file. Next, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or checking the system for integrity. Finally, open as text. Open the HDP file in a text editor to view the raw content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.